Have you ever stared at your Koho card, fingers hovering over the pin pad, heart pounding because you're sure you're about to get it wrong? Or maybe you've just had a gut feeling it's time for a change. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Koho and figuring out how to switch up that pin. Let's get started. Your pin is your personal security code, a digital guardian of your hard-earned cash. It's crucial to keep it safe and secure. But what happens when you start feeling a little uneasy about it? Maybe you shared it with someone you shouldn't have, or perhaps you just want to add an extra layer of protection. Whatever the reason, changing your Koho PIN is a simple process that can bring you peace of mind. The importance of a strong PIN. Before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why a strong PIN is essential. A good PIN is like a sturdy lock on your front door. It keeps unwanted visitors out. Think about it, your PIN is the key to your money. You wouldn't want just anyone to have access to your home, right? So, why would you want to give easy access to your cash? A strong PIN is unique. Avoid using birthdays, anniversaries, or consecutive numbers. Memorable. You want to remember it, but not in a way that's easy to guess. Random. The more random, the harder it is to crack. Changing your Koho PIN, step by step. Okay, let's get down to business. How do you actually change your Koho PIN? It's pretty straightforward, but we'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Koho app. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Koho app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon. It's usually a gear or 3 lines. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the PIN settings. Once you're in Settings, you should see an option related to your PIN. It might be labeled Change PIN, PIN Settings, or something similar. Tap on it. Step 4. Enter your current PIN. You'll be prompted to enter your current PIN. This is a security measure to verify that you are the authorized user. Step 5. Create a new PIN. Now, it's time to create a new PIN. Remember our tips for a strong PIN? Put them to use. Enter your new PIN twice to confirm. Step 6. Confirm the change. After entering your new PIN twice, you'll likely need to confirm the change. This might involve answering a security question or entering a verification code. Additional tips. Don't share your PIN with anyone. This includes family, friends, and even your significant other. Consider using a PIN generator app. There are apps that can create strong, random PINs for you. Change your PIN regularly. This is an extra layer of security. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Never enter your PIN on a website or app that you didn't initiate. Conclusion. Changing your Koho PIN is a simple process that can significantly enhance your account security. By following these steps and keeping your PIN safe, you're taking proactive steps to protect your hard-earned money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.